Great. Come, sit. Sit. Hi. 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 Good morning. Good morning, baby. Good morning, John. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. And welcome to the review video day. We're gonna review this MAC Caffeine ka proper lip combo. And I'm gonna tell everything about this product. The pros and the cons as well. So before we start the video, people who are watching my video for the very first time, welcome and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And people who are already there, thank you for being there and thank you for supporting me. So let's not waste any more time and let's get into the video. Let's start with the packaging. So this packaging looks very exotic and this is something which looks very expensive but comes well within the budget. Okay? तो ये इसका फ्रंट है, then this is the back of it, ठीक है, and इसमें सारी चीजें जो अंदर हैं उसके बारे में लिखा हुआ है and it has been described nicely. And coming to its price, इसकी जो प्राइस है वो अराउंड 1300 है, बट अक्सर थोड़ा ना थोड़ा डिस्काउंट के चक्कर में ये समवेयर अराउंड 1000 से 1100 के आसपास रहता है नायका पे. बट यू नो योर गर्ल, आई गॉट दिस वन इन सेल. I got this in some Nykaa sale और ये Pink Friday sale, कुछ तो ऐसा चल रहा था when I got this one and मेरे को ये 790 के आसपास पड़ा था. So I would always suggest कि जब भी आपको कोई चीज चाहिए, until unless it's not an emergency, wait for the sale. काफी अच्छे डिस्काउंट्स हो जाते हैं, 20, 30, in fact 50% तक डिस्काउंट होते हैं and you can buy your product in a very reasonable price. ठीक है, so this is what the packaging is. Now when you open it, it again looks very nice and expensive. So this is the inside of this lip care kit. Now let's talk about the products. So I'll talk first about the lip scrub here. पहले तो ये lip scrub, lip balm and lip sleeping mask जो है ना, इनकी पैकेजिंग एक जैसी है. They look very similar and देखो, I have used some of it. ठीक है, ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. तो बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस लिप स्क्रब इज इसके पार्टिकल्स बहुत ही ज्यादा सॉफ्ट हैं और छोटे हैं, जिससे क्या होगा, यू विल नॉट हर्ट योर लिप्स एंड एट द सेम टाइम यू कैन गेट अ वेरी नाइस क्लीन एंड स्मूथ लिप्स. आई हैव यूज्ड दिस एंड इसको यूज करने के बाद आपके लिप्स इतने सॉफ्ट लगते हैं. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज, मेरे लिए एटलीस्ट द बेस्ट पार्ट इज, इसके जो पार्टिकल्स हैं वो बहुत ही ज्यादा सॉफ्ट हैं और छोटे भी हैं. सो फॉर मी दिस लिप स्क्रब इज अ हिट. नाउ कमिंग टू इट्स लिप बाम. इसके जो लिप बाम है ना, इट लुक्स समथिंग लाइक दिस. ऑब्वियसली कैफीन के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, सो दे ऑल लुक समवेयर चॉकलेटी. बट द थिंग इज कि इसका जो लिप बाम है ये थोड़ा सा थिक है. आप इसको देखो, इफ आई अप्लाई इट हियर, ये थोड़ा सा थिक है. What happens is that when I apply it in the daytime, it keeps bothering me that मेरे lips पे कुछ लगा हुआ है. मतलब it has this heaviness, जिससे ना फील होता है कि आपके lips पे कुछ तो लगा है. There is something on your lips. This lip balm is very good, but again, I don't prefer it in the daytime. What I do is I just apply it in the night, and it is good. It is good, but I apply it. Now coming to its lip sleeping mask. Now what happens with me, since I don't apply its lip balm in the daytime, I generally find it so heavy that I try to apply it in the night. What happens with me that I don't know when to apply this lip sleeping mask. Now this lip sleeping mask is again good. ये देखो, ये कुछ ऐसा है, ठीक है. This is the lip mask. This is how it looks, and this is actually ये जो हमारा लिप बाम है ना, वो एक्चुअली कभी कभी लिप मास्क की तरफ फील होता है. दैट इज द ओनली रीजन आई अप्लाई माई लिप बाम एट नाइट एंड देन आई गेट कंफ्यूज्ड कि लिप स्लीपिंग मास्क कब लगाना है. सो द अनदर थिंग इज दैट इफ यू हैव सुपर चैप्ड लिप्स एंड इफ यू थिंक कि आप इसे रात में लगा लो एंड इन द मॉर्निंग voila you will have a very smooth lips, that is not gonna happen. This lip sleeping mask takes at least a week to work nicely on your lips. At least for me, it took 4 to 5 days, and then it started showing its, result. कि हाँ ठीक है, it works. But you have to be very patient with this one, and you will need 4 to 5 days to, see the results of it. So now coming to the last product of this lip care kit, this is lip polishing oil. Frankly speaking, this one is useless for me. First of all, already I have lip scrub, lip balm and then lip sleeping mask to apply on my lips. So I don't get time to apply this one. I don't know when to apply this one. ठीक है? And second of all, what I have seen is that whenever I apply it on my lips, क्या होता है ना, 1 घंटे तक तो ठीक है, but when it start drying, मेरे upper lips and lower lips lining पे basically, मेरे lip lining पे what it start happening is कि थोड़ा सा ना dry होने लगता है, and you start actually seeing कि ये dry हो रहा है. At least this happened with me. I don't know, it might suit you, but for me this happened that every time I used to apply, after an hour or so, it start getting dry right on the upper lips and my lower lips, and वो बहुत ही अजीब लगता है. Then you have to start, then I actually what I do is then I start applying lip balm and everything else to just make it even. So this one is, I'm still thinking of ways to use this product. Although it's look very nice, this has got metal ball in, you know, right embedded on it. So, and this is the liquidy formula. ठीक है, obviously oil है, so this is how it looks. But if I had to buy it separately, I would never buy it. Okay, so if you're thinking as a gift, you know, as a gift to someone, this one is a very great idea because obviously of its packaging and how it looks so exotic, so expensive, so nice. So this one is a good gift idea. But if you have to, you know, buy it for yourself, for your personal use, I would suggest that buy it separately. आप नायका पे सर्च करोगे तो इनका लिप स्क्रब, लिप बाम, लिप स्लीपिंग मास्क एंड इनफैक्ट लिप ऑयल सब कुछ अलग से आता है. एंड 230 to 250, maximum 300 you will get one of these. Spending so much and then you cannot use it, so it's a waste. So what I would suggest is, if you want to buy it for yourself, buy it separately. And lip scrub and lip balm is a good, you know, option. Obviously lip balm to be applied at night because it's little heavy to be applied at daytime. At least this is what I felt. So this was my take on this, you know, lip care box. Let me know in the comment below if you have used one of these and how you feel about these products. I hope you find this video useful. I'll see you next time. Bye bye guys.